Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and in today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can add another account in the Snapchat app. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, be sure to put your likes. And let's get started. So, first of all, we're going to need to open the Snapchat app. Then in the top left corner, click on our image to go to our profile. And here, in order to create another account, next we need to click on the gear at the top, and we go to Settings. Then we scroll down to the very bottom in Settings, and we find Sign Out. We press it. Confirm our action. And now, as you can see, we're out of Snapchat. And then we have a choice of what we can do. We can re-log into an existing account. We can also log into an account that we already have. And we can also create a new account. We click on Create a New One. And then we have to enter our information. First, we enter our name. Then we choose our date of birth. After that, we will need to come up with a password for our new Snapchat account. After that, we will need to choose our email. We can put in the email that we have. Or we can choose iCloud, such as ours. And after that, we click Finish. After that, another Snapchat account will be created immediately, and you will automatically log into it, and you can further customize your Snapchat account. For example, your avatar, search for friends, and so on. That's the simple way you can add another account in the Snapchat app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and see you soon.